Did you know AI can predict the exact date of your death? Pause 1 second sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie. But a study from Denmark has proven that an AI model called Life to Vec can predict how long you will live with 78% accuracy. But the real question isn't how dangerous AI is. The question is, can a 200-gram silicon chip truly defeat our brain and its 86 billion neurons? In today's video, we're staging a face-off between AI and the human brain like you've never seen before. First, let's talk about speed. If I asked you to multiply 5,472 by 98, you'd be reaching for a calculator. But AI, it can perform millions of such calculations in a single second. When it comes to memory, AI is perfect. It never forgets a single piece of data it read 10 years ago. We often forget why we opened the fridge in the first place. Light chuckle. But here's the twist. To store that data, AI needs massive servers and thousands of kilowatts of electricity. Our brain, it runs on just 20 watts, about the same power as a small LED bulb. When it comes to efficiency, humans are still the undisputed masters. Now we come to the biggest question. Can AI actually think? Pause. Look, everything ChatGPT or Midjourney creates is based on what they were taught. AI learns from past data, but the human brain runs on intuition and curiosity. When Newton saw the apple fall, he didn't have a database on gravity. He asked why, and that single thought changed science forever. AI can compose music, but can it feel the pain behind the notes? AI can write a poem about a heartbreak, but will it ever have tears in its eyes? No, the human strength lies in experience and emotions, things that can never be written into a line of code. So, will AI make us obsolete? The answer is a bit more nuanced. AI won't replace you. Rather, the person who knows how to use AI will replace the person who doesn't. Think back when the calculator was invented. People said it would be the end of mathematics.